So we are here starting our trek to Sirao. Hello guys, how do you feel? Excited? Ready? Yeah. So this is our hiking Lenten recollection. That's our goal. That's where we are heading. That mountain over there. Yeah.
Life is a constant journey. As the old saying goes, difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations. Every journey in life begins with a leap of faith. Just this Sunday, I, together with the Verbum Dei Teens and youth, were invited to unfold a journey. Was to have a moment of truth and silence with Jesus through a long walk that will help us realize our individual mission and to reflect on this question. In this season of Lent, who am I invited to walk?
We are Filipinos. Picture taking is a very important part of our trek.
Through the experience, we found beauty in tranquility. As we grasped the invitation for this journey, it was for me to realize that I'm not alone. God is there and He will lead the way.
You have no problem? I have no problem. So good. Okay. Hi James. How's it so far? Is it easy? It's hard.
Accompanied by faith, courage, strength, and hope, with heaven sent companions, the journey became lighter and brighter. It was a journey that helped us look deep within and realize the message that God wants us to know.